Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn quadratic equations exercise number 4. Question number 1. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If real root exist, find them. So in the question he was asking to find the nature of the roots. At the same time, if the roots are exist, find out them. This is a question he was asking. So now we will take one question and we will try to solve it. So here is the question. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So here it is in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a value is nothing but 2, b value is nothing but minus 3, c value is nothing but 5. So we have to find the nature of the roots. So to find nature of the roots, use discriminant formula. Discriminant, that is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay. B square minus 4ac is the formula to find out the nature of the roots. So now we will solve this question and we will find out what type of roots we have. So now here substitute the values. B value is minus 3 square, and 4 into a into c, that is 5. So substitute the values. This is nothing but minus 3 square is nothing but 9, minus 4 to the 8, 8 5 is a 40. Okay, plus 9 minus 40, how much you will get? Minus 31. So discriminant here, that is delta. Delta is negative. That is delta is less than 0. So the roots are imaginary roots. No real roots. Imaginary. So now we will see another question. 3x square minus 4 times root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. First we will find the nature of the roots. To find the nature of the roots, use the formula of discriminant, that is delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So this is a formula we have to use to find the nature of the roots. Okay, so now we see the given quadratic equation is, it is in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a value is nothing but 3, b value is nothing but minus 4 times root 3, c value is nothing but 4. Okay, now we substitute in the formula b square minus 4ac. So here b square minus 4 times root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. So minus 4 times 3 whole square is nothing but, just you see, minus 4 times root 3 into minus 4 times root 3 you write. Expand. A square is nothing but a into a. Here you see 4 3 is a 12. 12 4 is a 48. Here you see minus into minus will be plus. 4 into 4 will be 16. Root 3 into 3 will be, it become 3. So what I am getting, 16 into 3 is nothing but 48. 48 minus 48 is nothing but 0. So here the value of delta discriminant is equal to 0. So the roots are equal. What type of roots I am going to get here? Roots are equal roots. If delta is 0, the roots are equal. Okay. Now we will find out the roots. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So just you see here, minus b plus or minus, recently now we calculated b square minus 4ac value, that is 0. So if you substitute that 0, you will get minus b by 2a. If the roots are equal, the formula to find out the roots is nothing but minus b by 2a. So here minus b minus of minus 4 times root 3 by 2 times 3 here. Minus into minus is plus 4 root 3 by 6 here. Cancellation, 2 2s are 2 3s are. So you will get 2 times root 3 by 3. So this is the final answer. Therefore the two equal roots are nothing but 2 times root 3 by 3. So you can simplify there. 2 times root 3 by 3. To cut this 3 here, we are rationalizing the numerator. Multiply and divide with root 3. 2 times root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3 by 3 times root 3. 3 3 gets cancelled. 2 by root 3. Therefore the two equal roots are nothing but 2 by root 3 comma 2 by root 3. Now we will take another question. 2x square minus 6 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. So it is in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a value is nothing but 2, b value is nothing but minus 6, c value is nothing but 3. To find out the nature of the roots, we have to use the formula discriminant, that is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So what is the value of b here? Minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a is nothing but 2, c is nothing but 3. Minus 6 square, it is nothing but 36 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 is a 24. So what is the difference? 12 I am getting. So here delta is positive. So delta is greater than 0 or positive, we can write. So if it is a positive, the roots are real roots and different roots. So real and different means you won't get the same roots. Okay, now we will find out the roots. So use the formula, quadratic formula here. So that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here minus b, minus of minus 6 plus or minus b square minus 6 square minus 4 into a is nothing but 2, c is nothing but 3 by 2a. So this is minus into minus will be plus 6 here, plus or minus. So this is 36 minus 4 to the 8, 8 is a 24 by 4 here, 6 plus or minus under root of 12 by 4. Now here 6 plus or minus 12 can be written as 4 into 3, that is nothing but 6 plus or minus root 4 into root 3 we can write by 4. Just to see here. So under root of 12 is there here. 12 can be written as 4 into 3. So now root AB can be written as root A into root B. So that is root 4 into root 3 I written. Now we see the next step. 6 plus or minus 4 is nothing but 2 square. So square and root gets cancelled for 2. You will get 6 plus or minus 2 times root 3 by 4. So the two different roots are x is equal to 6 plus 2 times root 3 by 4. This is one root. X is equal to 6 minus 2 times root 3 by 4. This is the another root. So when delta is positive, you will get two different roots. When delta is equal to 0, so just you see here, delta is positive, you will get two different roots. Delta is 0, equal roots. Delta is negative, imaginary roots. So like that, first we have to find the nature of the roots. After that, if the real roots are there, we have to find out the roots. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.